Do you think your sex life is over after kids or after menopause kicks in? That's one of the biggest myths out there. Look, the changes are real. Hormonal shift, energy drops, and sometimes even dryness, discomfort shows up. The challenges are common, but none of that means that your intimacy has to end. So, what really helps? What can you do to spark your sex life? If you have dryness or pain, check out lubricants or estrogen tablets. They can be game changers. Studies have shown that vaginal estrogen tablets really help. Now, if you have low desire, try stress management. Check out your sleep, nutrition, and you can even try hormone therapy. They can help. Finally, the biggest fix. No one's even telling you about this. You got to talk. You got to start with your partner and then talk to your doctor. Sexual wellness does not come with an expiry date. With the right tools and honest conversations, that's what you need. You can have more intimacy even after kids or menopause, sometimes even better. Follow Healthy Info to learn more health tips. We got you.